Hello, I'm Chiaki Lawler. My workshop is Stepping Up to be a Teacher Trainer. Good trainers are good teachers in the classroom, but not all good teachers can be good trainers. This is an interactive workshop focusing on andragogy for current and future English teacher trainers. Now, many English schools and organizations offer quality in-house training for their teaching staff. However, when it comes to staff training, there seems to be a lack of focus on trainer training. You need to be a good teacher to be a good trainer, but not all good teachers are good trainers. Some institutions hire professional trainers to deliver their training courses, but it's not uncommon to delegate the role of the trainer to an experienced teaching staff of that school or organization. But the transition from a teacher to a trainer is not easy, even for seasoned teachers. Teacher training sessions are target and content specific. Just like teaching learners in the classroom, there are copious aspects which need to be considered when developing and delivering training sessions. But teaching learners and training teachers is distinctively different. Although many schools and organizations support the teacher-trainer transition through various courses or mentoring, there seems to be very little ongoing training for the teacher trainers. This interactive workshop takes a holistic approach by focusing on andragogy to serve as a pointer for the novice and a refresher for the experienced teacher trainers. So please come along. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.